So good morning guys, I'm here at MangoMoto. Nice place, comfortable place amidst the mango farm. So Moto is organizing this event for us bikers to test the track here. Vasanti.
I don't know him personally.
Hey baby.
The person who trains over
So we did a track walk guys, and kind of a nice track. There are some obstacles, but we go through them like always, isn't it? So I guess this is the Gear X Moto. The bikes doing their thing. Okay, jump. Kishan Wayfarer is here finally after long time and long waiting. Namaskara.
After a long time we meet.
Yes. Oh. Excited guys. I'm in group C. Go for a practice run, followed by breakfast. So see you then. Very technical guys. So the actual time starts once I cross the starting point. This was just an outlap, guys. Started with a jump. Actual race has started. It's going. Braking. Gear down. Coming to second gear. Tabletop. Lost some seconds there. Never mind. Down the second gear. Sliding in. Have to come to the first. Om Namah Shivaya. Sliding in. Right. Coming to second. Slide. Careful with this one. In a circle. Table top. Second gear. Go baby. Basante. Back. Sliding in. Right. Rain here. This is the thing. Yes. Camera angle ठीक करो. Let's go. Last lap, right? Okay. Overshot. But that's okay. Arm pump going on. Final stage. Done with the race, guys. Hope I get a good time. Took it easy, nothing too hardcore. Not been practicing, guys. Yay! Arm pump, guys. So this was my first time at MangoMoto. Really loved it. Thanks to Moto for organizing a fun day here for us off-roaders at the track. I really enjoyed it. I did the time attack. So I came 14th position out of 21 people. I was not trying to push really hard, but yeah, I completed it and I got some crazy jumps and airtime and I got it on video. I'll put that up also. A really nice place to connect back to nature. Forget the city problem, city life, the boss, the manager. Just come here, have fun. So there we go. MangoMoto. Eh? I'll be back here soon. See you in another vlog, guys. Time to go home.